Our people then, welcome to another wonderful episode of Tatafo Republic. I'm your humble host, Chief, and on my right I have with me
MC Amani.
And on my left I have with me
Donald Ohio.
Today we get one very lovely topic we will talk about. I know soon I don't hear about the story about the man we get 5 million for accounts with an account manager we be a friend and family friend. This man can't die, leave money. If family don't know anything about this money. If family they suffer, they struggle, bury him. Account manager can't get wife, we get kidney issue. You don't plan so you go chop this 5 million. How do I feel about this kind of issue? So man, tell me your own feel.
Well, you know bad say if the account manager take care of your wife. Because if not me, I don't feel they look my wife, make it die.
Chop money.
Okay, no. Make I tell you something.
No,
if you not be my money, do you know the prayer I pray to God?
No,
God can bless you in any way.
God doesn't keep person bless you now.
When somebody say, "Oh my God," another person say, "Thank you, Jesus."
What do you feel? What do you feel?
As the account manager, obligation is on you. Say make you protect the interest of the businessman.
You sabi book.
Now make am say, brother, help me hold this money, so that even anything happen, you go.
My people go say exactly.
That money no be your money. So if you take that money, that's stealing.
I know say na stealing. I know say na stealing.
So why work on
snake must swallow snake before it go become anaconda. Only the angels in heaven fit leave that thing. Say how human being other lady come away say this is grammar wey dey speak. It is an emergency issue.
No, it's not. It is emergency in the both side. The money is already allocated for the family, not for your family. Okay. You dey also for that.
The same point.
You see this way we talk so the family not there. You shouldn't be blaming me. You should blame that man who is very stingy without involving his family in his account.
You be the account manager. This kind thing hook you. What do you go to?
Well, already my job as
Oga, not lie you. No lie you. This is Nigeria.
This man put these funds in my care because of emergency. That is the reason why I get that opportunity of having that. Why if they pay me because of emergency? Now emergency don't happen.
Okay.
What I supposed to? Because I don't collect pay for them, I supposed to give out to people.
So that's what you go do.
Now what do you go do? I see I'm saying this man gets confidence in the fact say anything will happen to him, go fit take care. That's why you hand over that money.
Say the man no plan and say you go die like that.
You know planner.
No planner.
So are you supposed to do your duty?
Now you supposed to do your duty. Now you dey fail.
Okay, fine. The man no planner say you go die.
Yes.
Death don't come.
Okay.
Death catch am unaware.
Yes.
And my wife
No be you plan too.
I don't kill her now.
No.
I don't kill her. This is Nigeria. You are just you just a form set for here. You just a form set.
That wetin make you account officer?
Make I ask una questions now. Make I ask una
Chief,
questions.
we dey here.
Me as I dey look the condition wey you talk say okay, you no plan am.
Yes.
Now wife don get kidney issue. Shey money no fit come from another hand.
You na account manager na you check your family.
You dey see the family dey suffer.
You know.
Shey you no fit just shake body look at
Boss,
that
no. Morally, you suppose know good and bad na boss. Suppose know good and bad.
Make I tell you one thing.
Okay.
Make I tell you one thing. You see this life wey we dey so.
Okay.
Every human being get their own weakness.
Of course.
You understand?
Money na your weakness.
The money na my weakness at that point.
It be like
I don't get hope.
It be like that jam snake.
I don't get God bless you. I don't get hope for anywhere to get money.
To get hope.
So I wan ask you, the way men dey do now for this country wey they go get properties, they go get house, they go get things, they go hide am for their family, how you dey see am? Okay.
That is greediness in highest order.
Na it causes issue.
When you have property and when you have an account, get money, bring your family into it.
No.
That is where the issue is. You see how some people they get wahala, personal wahala without involving their family in their property or buying anything or having money or buying anything. You understand? They do hide. If you cannot expose yourself to your family, who will you expose yourself to?
Know you, Don't you talk your own. How you feel?
That's a businessman of that magnitude. Don't see say his family cannot comfortably handle whatever he is doing. Now he make am go hire somebody to help am oversee am.
Without telling him why take money take so much.
But I am sure there must be documentation somewhere.
All right.
Now that documentation we look for and you sort all this problem because if it possible say that 5 million naira if this man drop am for house take the family go just burn am.
They
They go just go like that.
Different opinion on top of this matter, but there's a one unifying voice. It's better for you as you get property, as you get account, make you tell your family and let you have insurance on this thing. It's good to have a family lawyer. Now, one practice we need to do for Nigeria, get a family lawyer that knows about your assets. So any issue will come, any biggie, the chambers will alert your family. Always remember your family first, because on my matter they arise any day, anything may happen. Thank you for another lovely episode of Tana Republic.
Now, God bless you to take care of my wife.